Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can lift an object or a person from a place to another. You get me? I know you get it because you are too smart. So first of all, go to Canva. I will leave a link in the description if you want to try Canva Pro for free. So go and upload your photo or your image. Click on upload files. For me, I will choose this one. I think it's Cameron Diaz, an actress. Click on it. Our teacher, of course. That's it. Now click on it to be selected and click on edit image. Now go to grab, magic grab. Click on it. Then click here. Click to select the image. Subject, you want the person or the object. Click on it and click on grab. Wait for a moment. Okay, as you can see, this is our teacher. You can move it wherever you want. Let's say let's make something good. Okay, like this. This will be our thumbnail, I think. Just like this. As you can see, it's easy and simple. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.